So, good morning, everyone. I hope you all are doing well. So, today this is the session for tutorial of cloud computing. And in previous tutorial, we have discussed about how cloud computing is beneficial for our personal lives, for our family, in terms of our society, community, how it is helpful for us. So today in this session, we'll be discussing how cloud computing is benefiting the corporate world. So let's start with our discussion with cloud computing for corporations. सो जितने भी बिजनेस हैं, ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं, कॉर्पोरेशंस हैं, इनमें क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग कैसे हेल्प कर रही है? क्या क्या चीजें हैं जो हम अपने बिजनेस के रिलेटेड या कॉर्पोरेशन के रिलेटेड कर सकते हैं ओवर द क्लाउड? हम सबको पता है कि आजकल जितने भी बिजनेस हैं, बड़ी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं, वो सेंट्रलाइज्ड हैं, राइट? सो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड है लोकेशंस। Please mute yourself. Do not interrupt in between. जितने भी बिजनेस हैं वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड हैं, अलग अलग ब्रांचेस हो सकती हैं. rather than if we talk about small business, छोटे बिजनेस, छोटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस, कंपनीज की भी बात करें, तब भी उस केस में भी लेट्स से वी आर इनटू सम मार्केटिंग फील्ड, सो उसमें हमें एक लोकेशन पे फिक्स होके काम नहीं करना होता, हम मूव करते रहते हैं. मोर ओवर मल्टीपल एम्प्लॉयज होते हैं, लेट्स से 5 एम्प्लॉयज भी हैं या 50 एम्प्लॉयज भी हैं, उनको कोलैबोरेटिवली काम करना पड़ता है. सो हाउ cloud computing is benefiting in these terms? So let's see. As we know, like businesses have some of the earlier adapters of cloud computing. So we are into cloud computing in terms of when it comes to business. So companies, doesn't matter if they are large and small, they recognize their cost and savings, and also works for productivity enhancements. So companies or business make use of web-based tools to manage their projects, collaborate on documents and presentations, and manage enterprise world contacts, schedules, etc. So cloud computing lets company to do more with limited budget. You don't have to actually invest much, but you can enhance the productivity and get the benefits from all. Moreover, if we talk about web-based applications, they have proven as a boom for telecom commuters and road warriors. So you can access uh, any document from anywhere, even if you are traveling. All you need is an internet connection. So instead of being tied to documents and applications hosted, their desktops, workers can more access what they need from any location in within the office, as well as if they are traveling or at home. So they can access from anywhere. So here let's look at some of the ways in which companies and their employees can use cloud computing. So firstly, cloud computing helps a particular business or organization to manage the schedules. So हम शेड्यूल्स कैसे बना सकते हैं? लेट्स से हम बहुत बड़ी कंपनी में काम कर रहे हैं एंड कंपनी की अगर मीटिंग ही प्लान करनी है, एक सिंपल मीटिंग लेते हैं, एक मीटिंग प्लान करनी है, इंटर डिपार्टमेंटल मीटिंग है। कंपनीज में बहुत सारे डिपार्टमेंट्स होते हैं, इंटर डिपार्टमेंटल मीटिंग है, बहुत सारे डिपार्टमेंट्स में कम्युनिकेट करना पड़ेगा। लेट्स से हर डिपार्टमेंट के 2 या 4 मेंबर भी आ रहे हैं, सबको इंडिविजुअली इंटीमेट करना होगा कि आपकी मीटिंग इस दिन इस टाइम पे शेड्यूल्ड है। और अगर वो शेड्यूल्ड मीटिंग रीशेड्यूल करनी पड़ रही है फॉर एनी रीजन, उस केस में दोबारा फिर से सबके साथ कम्युनिकेट करना पड़ेगा। तो क्या बेस्ट वे है कम्युनिकेट करने का? इधर यू विल ड्रॉप अ मेल, एक ईमेल ड्रॉप करोगे सबको, ठीक है, और देर इज नो श्योरिटी कि किसी ने मिस ना कर दी हो सकता है किसी ने पढ़ी ना हो, या जब रीशेड्यूल कर रहे हो तो वेल इन टाइम आप रीशेड्यूल इंटीमेट नहीं कर पाए हो, तो उस केस में हजल एंड फजल हो सकते हैं। सेकेंड ऑप्शन इज यू विल कॉल पर्सनली, सबको पर्सनली कॉल करोगे, एंड लेट्स से इफ मीटिंग में 20-25 पर्सन आने वाले हैं और मोर देन दैट, देन हाउ विल यू कम्युनिकेट इन ए शॉर्टर वाइल? So there has to be an automated system which helps you to manage and update and also to remind for the meetings. So for that, best way is the web-based scheduling. So everyone places his or her schedule in the cloud, which then enables the meetings organizer to easily see who's available when. फाइन। सो यूजुअली क्या होता है, सबके बिजी शेड्यूल्स होते हैं, हो सकता है अगर 25 पर्सन के साथ आपने मीटिंग करनी है, उसमें से 5 जो है या लेट से 10-20 पर्सन जो है वो अवेलेबल नहीं है एक पर्टिकुलर स्लॉट पे। सो यू कैन चेक फॉर देयर स्लॉट्स एज वेल, कब कौन किस टाइम पे अवेलेबल है, सारे के सारे कब एक मीटिंग रख सकते हो। सो यू कैन चेक ऑल दीज थिंग्स ऑनलाइन फ्रॉम देयर बिजी शेड्यूल्स। मोर ओवर आप मीटिंग शेड्यूल कर दोगे, जिसको ऑब्जेक्शन होगी वो वहीं पे ऑब्जेक्शन डाल देगा कि दे आर ऑक्यूपाइड इन सम अदर थिंग। So when a cloud-based app finds the best time for all involved and schedule the meeting. So no more mails and no more phone calls. It all will be happen in the cloud automatically. So let's suppose you need to schedule a meeting sometime next week with like few of your attendees, let's say 20 or 30 or more. So what you all need to do, you punch in the details of meeting and the desired attendees, and the scheduling app find the first available time slot when all attendees are free. And alternatively, the app might have to pick a time slot when the maximum number of people can attend. So the this kind of best case scenario can be scheduled. So which might be only way to get your meeting on the calendar in a reasonable period of time. So web-based scheduling program lets you schedule both in-person meetings and teleconference with attendees from multiple locations. They are not limited to just those people located within the office, but you can also have a teleconference. So you can work with the schedules of people around the country or around the globe, and even in like different firms or organizations. So the best web-based calendar programs that are available here are Google Calendar, that we are already using nowadays, and Yahoo Calendar also. Apart from this, the next what we can do with our business over the cloud is managing projects. So most companies at one point or another have at least one big project ongoing. So the type of project that involves multiple employees from multiple departments and perhaps multiple locations, we can say. Uh, Projects of this type have tons of individual pieces and parts, each of which depends on the completion of previous tasks. So we have small pieces of our whole project, small modules, and let's say they are interdependent. If your first module is not completed, you cannot start with your second module. So in such scenarios, keeping track of all individual tasks, who's doing what and when, can be a like tough tasks. So that effort is made easier with the use of web-based project management application. Project members can log in from any location to access the project master file, and they can add or delete tasks, mark tasks as incomplete or complete, and enter the detailed billing information as well for individual tasks, and other relevant uh, information can be inserted. And because the project is posted in the cloud, every team member sees some uh, giant chart or per chart which reflects the progress of the project, and the same list of tasks instantly updated when any other member makes an edit. तो अगर कोई भी एक चेंज कर रहा है ऑटोमेटिकली वो सबको रिफ्लेक्ट होगा, और यहाँ से आप ट्रैक कर सकते हो कि किसका कितना प्रोग्रेस हो गया है, ठीक है, इंडिविजुअली कौन कितने टाइम के लिए काम कर रहा है, ये सब ऑटोमेटिकली हम ट्रैक कर सकते हैं इस पे. Then many project like management applications include additional functions useful in management of group projects. So these features may include group to-do list, web-based file sharing we can perform, and message boards are also available, time and cost tracking, and many more features. So the most robust of these apps lets you to manage multiple projects simultaneously. So users can schedule their time across multiple projects and make sure they are not doing two things at once. So only the team will be engaged in only one task, not the simultaneous one. So as you might expect here, these are not the simple application, but actually they are very simple and feasible, and anyone can have access from anywhere. And nowadays the most popular apps that helps you to manage your projects over the cloud are Ace Project, Basecamp, On Project. These are the latest trends available in the market. Apart from this, cloud also helps you for collaboration on reports. When we are into enterprise or large companies, there are chances you get to write a lot of reports. They can be your weekly reports, monthly reports, your audit reports, annual reports, they can be any. And the reports you have written are often in collaboration with one or more other employees. So let's say, taking an example, you may need to put together a monthly progress report about your project. So that includes input from the company's, let's say, marketing, sales, finance, moreover, your development team, designing team, backend team. So all teams have to collaborate at one to maintain a particular report. So here perhaps you are preparing a business plan that includes sections from all companies department, or a company overview that includes bits and pieces from each and every office location. So if your company is decentralized or distributed over different locations, so you have to club from different locations to generate the report. So in short, you need some way to collaborate with other staffs when writing the report. So fortunately, here is the solution. Online collaboration is one of the chief benefits of cloud computing. So instead of emailing the Word documents across the company, or over different locations to different staff members, or you can opt for web-based word processing program. So here the solution that is provided by cloud, that is the web-based word processing program, is our Google Suite with the Google Documents, spreadsheets, presentation. You can collaborate in any way. And also we are having Zoho Writers. So this is how we can collaborate for our business reports. The next thing that cloud computing allows us here is collaborating on marketing materials. So how we can collaborate for marketing materials when it comes to our business. So here marketing is another area that benefits from cloud enabled collaboration. Putting all together a catalog that requires data from several different departments. Let's say, take an example here, like effective direct mail companion benefit from marketing, sales, and fulfillment inputs. So online PR needs uh, uh, participation from marketing, product, and technical staff. So here, when it comes to creating marketing material, perhaps the best approach is to use a combination of web-based applications, the web-based email facility, communication between departments. You can also have benefit from web-based project management applications, which helps you to keep all the pieces and parts in a line. So the marketing material themselves can be created using web-based word processing applications. This put the draft material on the web for everyone, like on the team, including appropriate senior management as well. So here every like after everyone's had his her own say, you can finalize the document and then send it to your printer or over the website. So collaboratively you can work with different departments to finalize a particular marketing material. And also by using cloud, it allows you to combine various cloud services to generate one marketing material or resource. So the next area where cloud computing is helping in our businesses, it provides us with the collaboration on expense reports. So कोई भी बिजनेस है, हर बिजनेस अपना अपने एक्सपेंसेस को मेंटेन करता है, कितने इनफ्लोज आ रहे हैं, कितने आउटफ्लोज हैं, वो सारा ट्रैक हम रखते हैं, विच इज टर्म्ड एज योर एक्सपेंस रिपोर्ट. इट कैन बी ऑन वीकली बेसिस और मंथली बेसिस और एनुअली बेसिस. तो हर कंपनी, हर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, जहाँ भी बिजनेस है, हमारा फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी क्या होती है कि कम इन्वेस्टमेंट पे हम ज़्यादा प्रोडक्टिविटी या ज़्यादा बेनिफिट्स ले सकें. सो उसके लिए हमें एक्सपेंस रिपोर्ट्स जो हैं वो मेंटेन करनी पड़ती हैं. सो if you spend your company's money, you have to account for it also. So that's the theory behind reality of expense reports. So it is not too difficult to create an expense report using your manual, um, by using your manual methods, or if we are using it over our desktop spreadsheet softwares, like if I am maintaining the Excel sheet for expense report, it is not that difficult, but that isn't always the best way to go. Like the paper or electronic report must then went its way through companies various level of approval. आप जब भी मैनुअल्स रिपोर्ट्स बनाते हो आपको हरारिकली मूव करना पड़ता है अप्रूवल्स के लिए। अगर आप स्प्रेडशीट पे भी बनाते हो आपको सबको फॉरवर्ड करनी पड़ती है, ठीक है, अप्रूवल्स के लिए। सो in that scenario, like your boss or boss head, the accounting department, the HR department, and who knows how many people or more before the accounting department here going to check for your report. So the better solution here for many companies is to put the expense report फंक्शन ऑन द वेब। तो आप क्लाउड पे मेंटेन कर सकते हैं रिपोर्ट्स जो असेसिबल होंगी सबके लिए, एंड एम्प्लॉयज फ्रॉम एनी लोकेशन कैन एक्सेस द वेबसाइट टू एंटर देयर एक्सपेंस। हर डिपार्टमेंट के अपने एक्सपेंसेस हो सकते हैं, सो हर डिपार्टमेंट अपने एक्सपेंसेस एक ही डॉक्यूमेंट पे वेब पे अपडेट करेगा और वो असेसिबल होंगे, विजिबल होंगे सबके लिए। एंड इट कैन ऑल्सो बी असेसिबल वाइल एम्प्लॉयज आर स्टिल ट्रेवलिंग and with no expense, like with no need to wait for reimbursement until they get home. So then the web-based expense report gets electronically circulated to everyone who needs to approve it, or more likely a link to be to the web-based report is mailed instant. So finally, after the last approval is entered, the accounting department is notified and a check is cut. So no costly paper trails is generated, no documents spend days waiting here in your inbox over the mails. So the entire process is speed up, and ultimately you are managing the whole report very efficiently. So another benefit of web-based expense management is that you can quickly and easily ensure that all employees follow your company's rules and regulations. Just add your own rule base into the app's management console, and employees will have to follow your company's policy when entering their expenses. So some of the most popular enterprise level web-based expense report application includes here is Concur, Expensible, Expense Point, and Time Consultant. So they are the latest trends into the market for collaborating and maintaining the expense report over the cloud. So guys, before we move on, just give me 2 minutes. I need to take your attendance. Next area where cloud computing is helping us in business is it is helping us in collaborating on presentations. So like every company today here sees more than what is dependent on PowerPoint presentations. So when it comes to presenting uh, and covering the large audience, moreover when we are working on large presentation, then you need the inputs for that presentation from more than one person. So here the inputs can be from different departments or different offices as well. So if you are presenting company finances, let's say, taking an example, you need to get those from each individual department. So if you are presenting to your sales force, you might need to assemble product information from multiple divisions. So if you are giving an HR presentation, you may require input from managers of all your company's physical locations. So as with most collaborations of this type, a collaborative presentation is problematic. So it's just plain difficult to get everyone's involvement to submit work on time and in the proper format. So anyone can change of their inputs at last minute as well. So fortunately here we are having the best solution with us, which is helping us to collaborate on presentations. So by creating a single presentation document, you don't have to worry about consolidating information from multiple documents. And because that document is located in the cloud, any collaborator can edit directly into the master document from any web browser. The project leader controls the work or look and feel of presentation by applying a universal styles or themes we are already having. So this is how it is helping us in collaboration on presentations, and the best solution nowadays is with Google Suite, Google Presentations, and Prizo and Zoho Show is also there. Next, we are having, it is also helping us in assessing the document on road. So when we are talking about web-based applications on road, so we can have access to any of the document anywhere while traveling, or let's say if you are going from your office back to home, and you are having a travel time of let's say 1 hour or 30 minutes. So in meantime you got some urgent work, and you can access the documents, your emails from your on your travel as well. So all you need is a good internet connection, and if you are connected to internet, you can have access to any document from anywhere anytime and from any device as well. You can have the access from your phones, your notepad, your laptops, whatsoever is feasible, and you can also edit the documents in a way. So this is all about how cloud computing is helping in business and enterprises. So guys, this is all for today's discussion. And if anyone is having any kind of doubt, may ask the question here.